Hi everyone and welcome back to Fitter with Lynette. I hope you all are doing the exercises and enjoying them. Today we're going to do exercises focusing on upper body strength. As you know, upper body strength is very important in our day-to-day activities and often gets ignored. So I wanted to focus on that. And now let's get started. The first exercise, or the exercise number 1 that we're going to do, is called push-up. Today we're going to do push-up on a mat. So everybody come on your mats and we're going to get into the position. Go back on your knees. Once again, make sure your wrist, elbow and your shoulders are in one line. Make sure your back is straight. Keep looking straight forwards. And now we're going to do a push-up. So you go down slowly towards the mat. And before touching the mat, push up. So you go down slowly and push up. We have to try to do this for 40 seconds. If you're getting tired, you can take a short break and try again as much as you can. Down and up. Remember to tighten your belly, squeeze your butt as you're going down and slowly push up. If this is difficult position for you, bring your knees forwards a little bit in line with your hips and then try the same. Go down and push up. This is a very good exercise to strengthen your arms, especially your triceps. If this position is also difficult for you, or if it's difficult for you to come on a mat, you can continue to do push-ups on the wall as we have done before. Exercise number 2 is called plank. Planking is very good to strengthen your abs, that is your abdominal muscles. And now let's get started. So you go on your hands and knees first. Bring your feet back and lift your knees up. Shift your weight slightly forwards. Make sure you're forming one straight line. So don't let your hips go up. Make sure your hips are down. Hands again, make sure your wrist and shoulders are in one line. Squeeze your buttocks and your belly, and we're going to try to hold this for 40 seconds. For people whom it's very difficult, lower down on your knees and try to practice planking on your knee. Once again, squeeze your glutes and tighten your belly. Don't hold your breath though. Keep looking straight ahead. So the planking position is very good for your whole body, from your arms to your abdominals to your legs. Your arms are basically doing all the work to hold you up. Your abdominals are contracting to keep you steady and not make you fall down. And your legs are also working at the same time to hold you in one straight line. Keep taking deep breaths. Exercise number 3 is called reverse tabletop. This is a very good exercise to strengthen your arms once again, especially your triceps muscle, which we have been focusing on today. So for this, you just come to a long sitting position with your knees bent, hands by your side. So try to push down on your hands and lift your buttocks up. Keep looking straight up to the ceiling and drop down. So we're going to try to do as many as we can in 40 seconds. So you're going to try to push on your hands and your heels to lift your buttocks up, look up and come down. After you go up, try to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds and slowly come down. This will also work on your hamstrings, which are on the back of your leg, because you're pushing down from your heels. Push, up, look up and back down. Exercise number 4 is for your abs and it's called side planks. For this, you just come on your one side, place your elbow down. Remember to have your elbow in line with your shoulder. Keep your both knees bent. Lift your arm and lift your hips up off the floor. So we're going to try to hold this position for about 5 seconds. Come down, rest and try again. So we're going to keep doing this for 40 seconds. If this is challenging for you, straighten your top leg and try to lift your hip up. Once again, keep your neck and your head straight. Hold for about 5 seconds. Slowly come down. Straighten your top leg. This will help you to balance more easily. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Slowly come down. So the exercise number 5, which is also the last exercise today, is called plank arm through. So for this, you just come on your hands and your knees. This is a very good exercise for your spinal mobility and also generally your abs and your arms. So you just slip your arm through one side and then to the other side. So it works on the rotation of your spine. You just keep getting your arm through, right and left. Okay, now we have come to the end of our session. Make sure you do exercise number 4, which is the side plank on both sides for 40 seconds. Do the best you can and good job everybody. See you next time. Bye.